Concrete Pipe and Precast Engineered Products Division proudly introduces StormArc, the next generation of stormwater detention and retention solutions. In modern urban developments, managing stormwater effectively presents unique challenges. Traditional above-ground solutions like bioswales and retention ponds consume valuable land, create potential safety risks, and limit flexibility and land use. StormArc offers a smarter solution. Built for underground installation, it frees up surface space and optimizes valuable land use. The system's modular concrete design provides flexible options for stormwater detention, retention, and infiltration, maximizing water storage while preserving valuable land. This unmatched flexibility is due to our modular precast concrete design. StormArc's interchangeable, stackable precast modules are built for strength, efficiency, and flexibility. The arced top slab is central to StormArc's design. It's what allows for more water storage and reduces the overall weight of each module while providing the benefits of a traditional arc design, stability, and strength. These compatible and stackable components work together to create a fully customized system that requires far less backfill and can accommodate every site's unique challenges, shape, depth, and usable space. With endless configuration options, StormArc can be tailored to meet any project's needs. Its design allows for simple installations that maximize site utilization. Stormwater enters through the inlet pipe, filling the StormArc modules as the water level rises within the hollow chambers. The water flows efficiently towards the outlet chamber, where outflow is regulated, or, in high-flow events, the overflow bypass weir safely allows excess water to evacuate the system. In addition, the system can also promote infiltration to support groundwater recharge and sustainable water management. Maintenance is straightforward with StormArc. The system's accessible design enables quick inspections and easy cleanouts, minimizing downtime and upkeep costs. A vacuum truck can easily access the chambers from a standard manhole and efficiently remove any accumulated sediment and debris. With this simple maintenance and robust construction, StormArc ensures reliability and minimizes upkeep for years to come. Ready for the next generation of stormwater management? Contact CP&P's Engineered Products team today for a project review session and learn how StormArc can transform your next project.